Today I have another pre-spent Hermes journey, this beautiful Kelly 25. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and not going to rehab soon. Today I have another pre-spent Hermes journey of what I bought in order to get this beautiful Kelly 25 in Etoupe, and a little bit of short review of what I've realized after using this bag for maybe a few weeks, and I am going to let you know in this video. Before we go into everything, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, I got this Kelly 25 in Etoupe with Palladium hardware. This is a Kelly 25 in Sellier style with Epsom leather. I got this in March 1st, and everything is in 2025 prices. Only certain pre-spend are in 2024 prices, so I'm just gonna run through everything and you can just Google the price on the Hermes website because now it's a little bit tricky, and I will definitely tell you how much this bag is and also about the ratio that I spent on this bag. If you haven't watched my unboxing bag, I'll just tell you now that I was offered this exact bag in gold hardware, but my goal and my dream Etoupe combination is Etoupe in Sellier style with Palladium hardware. I told my SA I was willing to wait, so I'm just letting you know that you can reject bags that you don't absolutely want. To me, Etoupe with gold hardware is very beautiful, but because of my lifestyle and the way I dress, I really want Palladium or silver hardware with this combination of Etoupe. As you can see, I'm like wearing this similar color, but I just really love the coolness that this bag gives when it's Palladium hardware. I'm gonna look into my phone because I need to tell you what's what. My journey of this bag started in September. That is actually when I got my Kelly Mini, and I'll link that down below. The day that I got my Kelly Mini is actually the first day of my pre-spend of this bag. At the day of the Kelly Mini, I also got a twilly. I got a Kelly pocket strap, like a bag strap. Just to let you know that here in Thailand, the Kelly strap or anything that's leather, it doesn't count as your pre-spend. It's considered like a leather category, so the bag strap doesn't count. So you should make sure about this with your SA because at first I thought it counts, but oh well. So the only thing that counts from that entire purchase was one twilly. So I got one twilly at the time that I got my Kelly Mini to go with the Kelly Mini, but in the end I haven't really used it because for me, twilly is too long for a Kelly Mini, and when you tie it as a bow, it's way too cute for my style. So moving on to November, I skipped October because obviously I need to save up because I spent half of the Kelly Mini that I deposited, so I had to pay the other half. In November, I got a necklace lock, which I put a photo right here. I got a baby towel for my friend who just had a baby, and I got baby shoes from my friend who just had a baby too. Now it's baby season. And I got a pocket square for my fiance. So total of that day wasn't too much. It was like around 60k. That was it for November. And then in December, I went in again, and this time I got a headband, which is so cute, a knit headband. I got a shoe case cleaning with the bolide style, and this one, it was a little tricky because I wanted the bolide case just to use it because I love buying organizers and cases and like little bags to organize my stuff. But I was like giving it to my fiance and be like, hey, I have a gift for you. It's a shoe cleaning case, but I'm keeping the case because I wanted the case, and I gave him everything else inside. At least it was, you know, a gift. And I got the Farandole rose gold diamond earrings that I also reviewed in my jewelry collection in a previous video, which I'll link down below as well. I enjoyed these earrings. It is beautiful, but it's so expensive. It's almost like a price of this bag, but you know, the road to the Hermes journey. And then I thought, because my SA actually told me like this bag actually comes in December, I could probably get it in December. And in my heart, I really want it in December because I want 2024 prices. Obviously, I know that 2025, the price increase is going to be so high because they know people are still going to pay, like people like me who are still going to pay for the 2025 prices. But obviously, that did not happen. So in January, you know, I needed to go in to remind my SA that, hi, I'm here, don't forget me. So I just went in to get another twilly in black because I wanted to match like my Kelly 28 that I have. And I got a denim hat, which is so cute, but the style, like the silhouette of the hat is a little bit more on like the riding side, but it's still cute because I'm really into dark denim at the moment. So total of that is already where I think it would be okay for me to get this bag. But I guess not, because in February I went in to get the sheep sandals in beige lin, which is in suede, which I've always wanted a suede sheep sandals. This, so pretty. But in the end, I also got ballerina flats, which is so cute. Like when I saw it on the shelf, I was like, eh. But my SA was like, you want to try this on? It probably will look good on you. I'm like, okay, I'll try it on. And when I tried it on, these ballerina flats are so cute, so on trend. You know how it's like sneaker flat style, the bottom is sneaker, so comfortable, the top is flat style with like mesh robe-ish style. I love these flats so much. Like it fits with everything that I wear. I'll post a few like outfits that I wore it with. Oh, it's so good. And then I also got the punk chain, the acre necklace, and I only tried it like a few times and I love it. But because it's so heavy in the photo, the pendant is like right here, but because it starts to get heavy, it goes down like this. But I want it to stay here like how in the photo is, but it doesn't. So we'll have to see about that. And then I also got a wooden plate for my future home with my fiance, which I'm doing, but we'll get to that later. Once I actually move in, I will definitely come and review of what I got from Hermes to, you know, decorate my home. And then that's the end of February. So my SA texted me at the end of February like, please come in on March 1st. And I was like, yay! So I went in on March 1st, and that is when my SA told me, what you bought is not exactly enough. We need like a little bit more, because when you got the Kelly Mini special order, the pre-spend is like a little bit on the low side. So this one you need to do a little bit more. And I was like, what is a little bit? And then I got a little scared, obviously, because I budgeted myself for just the bag because I thought I was already there. And at that time, it was already around 1.5 to 1, which I thought was enough. I guess I was a little naive because in Thailand right now, everything is at least 2 to 1. But you know, I thought I was a lucky person that has been shopping with my SA for a while. I mean, you know, it's been 2-3 years. I thought I might get lucky, but no, I need a little bit more. So that day, my SA wanted me to get ready to wear, and obviously it was all like spring summer pieces, which does not suit me at all. Like I'm this neutrals girl, and all the pieces there was like pinks and blues and spring summer. And then I really wanted this one mini skirt, but there's only one size left, which is the smallest size, which I couldn't fit. Like I tried to wrap it around my body and I couldn't zip up. Like it was like this much, like I couldn't even try to zip it up. So I didn't get that. So in the end, I got a polo for my dad because his birthday is coming, so might as well get a polo for my dad. I got a polo for my fiance, and I also got this cashmere scarf in gray, which is so cute because I am going to Australia soon and I would need a scarf. And then I also got a blush from Hermes. If you've never tried Hermes powder blush, you need to try it. Like this, I have another highlighter on the blush, but it's so long wearing. It's so good. I highly recommend it you try that. And that's it. I got this baby with that pre-spend. I would say it is also not 2 to 1 because the price of this baby is actually, something funny happened. I forgot to look at the battery on my camera and I was like, the price of this bag and my camera died. This comedy of this camera is so on point because once I heard the price of this bag, the 2025 price, obviously I didn't research before because there's no way I could know the price of Thailand price increase in Thailand because nobody talks about it. I only see like prices increases of like the euro prices. So just now my camera probably understood me when I heard the price of this bag. I was like, it's that much. So basically in Thailand, the price of a Kelly 25 in Sellier style, and this is in Epsom leather. The cheapest leather is 490k. 490k. I was like, I know that last year it was like 450 or 460, like along those lines. It is expensive, but that's the price that I know that, you know, it's gonna be that price. I didn't know the increase was gonna be like almost 10%. I was like, are you kidding me? Like, are you seriously kidding me right now? But in the end, my total pre-spend, so because the price increase of this bag, my spending ratio was actually 1.5 to 1. But because the bag is so expensive, 1.5 to 1 is also so expensive. So just letting you know, if you want an Hermes bag and want to do an Hermes journey, I suggest you do it in this year and finish it in this year and go slow later, because next year the price increase is going to be insane too. So now I've learned my lesson that if I want to do an Hermes journey, I should finish it in the same year so that I don't feel the way I feel right now, because I could have saved like another 10% on this bag or at least 8% on this bag. It's so expensive, but this beauty, if you ask me, do I regret it? No, because I got this beauty in the store and I will definitely use this for life. I would, you know, give it to my sons and daughters in the future if I even have one, but it is just so pretty. And the quality, I can. And the smell, I can't even. I don't know if you smell your bag, but I do. Every time I take this bag out of the dust bag, it smells amazing. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. But please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!